All right, let's dive in, shall we? Team USA, that's what we're looking at today.
Big topic.
Huge. It is. And, you know, we always think about Team USA and we think about like the Olympics and we think about gold medals. But you sent over this excerpt.
Yeah.
And it kind of got me thinking like, it's not always a sure thing, right?
Well, right. And that's, I think, what's so fascinating about this piece. You know, we just assume Team USA is going to dominate.
Right. Yeah.
But it really kind of zeroes in on this idea that it's not automatic. And it really is built from like the ground up.
Yeah.
And that's where this whole concept of young talent comes in.
Okay, so let's break that down a little bit. I mean, obviously Team USA has had, tons of success in the past.
Right.
I mean, we are, we're a force to be reckoned with on the world stage. But I mean, there have been some, let's just call them challenges in recent years, right?
Right.
Certain sports where, maybe we haven't been as dominant.
Sure.
So is this excerpt saying that, like, maybe the answer lies in how we're developing that, like, next generation of athletes?
Exactly. It really, really emphasizes this idea of like grassroots development programs. And what's so interesting to me is that it seems to be implying that we need to maybe be doing more.
Okay.
Or those programs need to be more robust than what they currently are. I mean, you think about nations like China, for example. They're, identifying athletic potential at a very young age and providing all this like really focused training and support.
So it's not even just about, like, America has talented athletes, which of course we do. It's about, like, the system.
It's about the system.
That, like, identifies that talent and then, like, really brings it up.
Absolutely. And a key part of that, and this is something the excerpt really hammers home, is like the coaching.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Especially at that youth level, are those young athletes getting access to really high quality coaching. And this is especially important, I think, in communities that might not have the same resources as, more affluent areas.
Oh, that's such a good point. Yeah.
Think about it. You're a young kid, you have all this incredible athletic potential, but you don't have a great coach?
Right.
How far can you really go?
It's like, I was a dancer growing up. I wasn't I wasn't in the Olympics or anything like that, but like I had a great teacher and she really like saw something in me and like nurtured that. And it just makes you wonder, like, how much talent is out there
Oh, absolutely.
that we might be missing?
Right.
Just because those athletes of kids don't have like that support system in place.
It's, I always think of that analogy of like you have a diamond in the rough, right? It has all this potential to sparkle and shine,
Right.
but without the right cutting, without the right polishing,
It's just a rock.
it's just a rock. And that's what I think this excerpt is getting at, is these programs, they're about giving young athletes the tools they need to really shine, to reach their full potential.
And it all ties back to Team